I am happy and super proud to give you finally an exclusive factory tour. So come with me, I show you the building in total. We just built this and it's a combination of eco-friendly building in this beautiful surrounding with all these nice trees. And here we are. The best feature of all is we are just 50 meters away of our main manufacturer, and there is the railroad station, so pretty close for our employees. And last but not least, we have bees. And also pretty beautiful to work here is like this high windows we have, so we get a lot of light into the building and makes daily work pretty nice and starts and bring our creativity alive. We don't have elephants, we have bees, because we want to stay connected with the nature, even there where we produce our goods. So yeah, we have bees. The rooftop, by the way, a 20 kilowatt solar power. We are 100% not depending on the electric grid. So all your trailers are produced with sustainable energy directly coming from our roof. The killer feature is that there is the manufacturing of our trailer frames. So the blue door you see, there's just the welding robot behind, and there the trailers are produced. And this gray building, they are power coated there. And yeah, that's nice to take off the trailers with our trailers. And it makes just also a lot of fun to work with, because we have a very good and short relationship and in communication we can very fast solve problems. And of course we can, with this background, also very high scale if the market is making up again. I think that's actually the most sustainable way of production you can do in the bike industry. Most bikes are coming from East Asia, so that's pretty nice that we are able and managed it to get this so close together. So here we are at the production site of the CARLA Cargo. So we have like this area is for the final production of the trailers. So there come the frames on this roller wagons. So like we have, for example, here pre-produced wheels or pre-produced fenders. And then we have also an electronic side and also for the overrun brake. And here you see more or less the pre-production, I would say. So for example, these are the housings for the hydraulic overrun brake, which comes below the trailers. And here are already parts prepared, where all fits together finally and come to the final product. So if we come more into that area, we are here where all the storage of the goods are. So we have some parts on the pallets, we have some smaller parts on a little shelf here, and also again some pre-assembled parts like the tow bars. Yeah, that's pre-production more or less. And in this area we pack the trailers on the pallets and ship them out, and they are this super heavy cartons. So we are getting like, this is the frames we get a bit pre-assembled from our main manufacturer just close by, and we take them on the roller wagons and finally assemble them. Well, the final assembling is pretty fast because we make a lot of pre-assembling of components. So I think with a good team and with a fluent process, we are able to produce up to 20 CARLAs per day. If we really optimize everything, actually we are not that step reached yet, but this is where yeah, I see a vision of where it can be go. I mean, it's great to be here because you have this really high 6 meters and also this wooden surrounding, which gives a very natural feeling, and of course you can swing. Let's go upstairs to see Antonia and all the colleagues working. There we are, and here we see our colleagues working in purchase, sales and development. Yes, it's a nice place to be, so all this nice high windows with a lot of light. We are here at our kitchen where we of course meet in the break, and sometimes even our colleagues start work here because it's so nice to be. So yeah, let's have a break.
Good enough. Yeah.